Welcome to this Unleashed Academy tutorial, where we'll walk you through how to configure the key settings of your B2B store to create a seamless experience for both you and your customers. Start by signing into your B2B store as an admin and head to Settings. In General Settings, you can set the display name for your store, upload your logo and store header image, add a welcome message, choose to display categories or popular products on your homepage, enable or disable features like standing orders. Don't forget to click Save once you've made your updates. Next, go to the Contact Details tab. This is where you enter your company's contact details, enable an inquiry form for customers to get in touch directly through the store. Content pages are used to create static pages such as terms and conditions, privacy policy, delivery or returns information. These pages are hidden by default. To enable, toggle the pages you want to show and edit the content using the Action pencil. Now we'll move along to Inventory and Products. This is where you define how products appear in your B2B store. Adjust product visibility and sellability. Add product descriptions specifically for your B2B portal. These won't change your main Unleashed product records. Ensure your product images are loaded in Unleashed to display in the store. Use the action cog next to each product, or the left-hand action cog for bulk updates, to set visibility, assign categories or catalogs, or flag products as priority if enabled. In the Product Details tab, toggle on or off the display of stock on hand and extended product information. These settings control what your customers will see when browsing your store. Navigate to Categories in the Inventory tab to set up product categories. Here, you can import product groups from Unleashed to create categories automatically. Each time you import, all existing B2B categories will be overwritten, so use this option when necessary. Or you can manually create categories and subcategories to give customers a structured navigation experience. To assign products to categories, go to the Products tab, select your items, and use the Action cog menu to assign them. Now it's time to invite your customers to the B2B store. Go to the Customers tab. Here, you can search or filter by customer type. And to invite a customer, select them using the tick box and hover over the left-hand action cog and select Send Invitation. A B2B store invite can be sent to any contacts in a customer with the ordering option ticked. You can amend your primary contacts for a customer in your Unleashed account. You can also bulk invite customers using the Master Action cog on the left-hand side. Finally, go to the Email Settings tab in the Orders drop-down to configure email notifications. Here, you can choose which order status updates will trigger an email to your customers, such as parked, placed, backordered, completed or deleted. Toggle each status on or off as needed. Once these steps are complete, your B2B store will be fully configured and ready for customers. From product visibility to contact settings, your B2B portal offers a flexible, tailored experience for managing wholesale orders efficiently. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to explore more Academy content for more tips and tricks on using Unleashed B2B Store.